Once you have that circled, come put it up here on the cart. No, you don't need it in. You can open up your workbooks to page 1. What's number 1 say? Ah, what did we just do? We just said our favorite colors. So we're going to do this together. We're going to put tally marks. So I have blue. So there's 1 tally mark for blue. Our options were green, yellow, red, blue, and orange. I have another one for blue. You should have 2 tally marks. Oh my goodness, another one for blue. Another one for blue. You should have 4 blues so far. All right, green. Red. Yellow. Blue. Question. Do I do this?
No.
Do I do this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You should have 5 for blue, right?
Yes.
Another blue. Make that 6. Another blue. 7. Another blue. 8. Another blue. 9. Are you following?
Yeah.
Red. Red again. Orange. Oh, our first orange. Blue. You should have 10. Seven more blues.
The whole class.
I think. All right, so how many green do we have?
1.
How many yellow?
1.
Red?
3.
Blue?
17.
17 and orange.
1.
Okay, so yesterday whenever we watched that video, what was this called? It's not favorite colors, Haley. It's the title. So this is the title of the bar graph. Favorite colors of you guys, students. Number 2, it wants us to use the tally chart to answer the following questions. Let's look at A. How many students chose orange as their favorite color? Let's go back. How many chose orange? 1. Do I write 1? Pineapple.
No.
Why not? What was the question?
What's your favorite orange?
Who said students? Students. 1 student. I don't know how to fix that. Okay. B. How many students chose yellow as their favorite color?
1.
1 what?
Student.
1 student. Make sure you have your student. C. Which color did students choose the most? Which one has the most? Blue. And then it says how many students chose it. So you have to have blue. And how many were there? 17 students. Now think of this. Yesterday when you were doing your pretest, did you write students or did you just write the number? I know. I looked at them. Everybody on D? Yeah?
Yeah.
It says, which color did students choose the least?
Green, yellow, orange.
So you have to write all three, green, yellow, and orange. How many students chose it? How many for each? One student. What's this called? Now that we're looking back at all this information, what's the E word?
Evidence.
Evidence. This is evidence. Same for math. Are we ready for E?
Yeah.
What is the difference? What's the difference? Adding or subtracting? Subtracting. Difference between the number of students in part C and D. So part C, we had how many students? 17. Do I add or subtract? Part D. Say it louder. 1 equals 16 students. Now, I didn't read ahead, but it says, write a number sentence to show your thinking. So you have to have 17 minus 1 equals 16, and you have to have your students. You have to make sure you read the question, because yesterday it said, write a number sentence to show your thinking, and a lot of you did not. You just wrote your answer. F, we're going to try this yourself. Write an equation to show the total number of students surveyed on this chart. What do you think you have to do to form an equation to show the total number of students? Do it on your own. That's not an equation, that's an answer. That's an equation. You can't just have your answer. I need this plus this equals this. Good job. What numbers am I adding? Who can tell me their equation? Haley.
I did 2. I did 17 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 is 17 times 6.
17 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3? Or did you just do the ones? Okay. Easier. So you have your 17, your 1, your 1, your 1, and your 3. So you could have had 17 plus 3 plus 3. You could have had 17 plus 6. What's my answer? 23 what? Students.
On the chart.
So, depending on what your equation was, I might accept different answers. So if you had 17 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, or if you had 17 plus 3